Hi, it's Steve. Today we're going to show you how to change the drain pump on your front load washer, and it's a really easy job. All we're going to need is a 7mm nut driver or socket and ratchet, number 20 Torx screwdriver, and a pair of slip joint pliers. Let me show you how we do it. Now the first step in this repair will be to disconnect the power, so pull the plug. And on this model there are 3 screws across the bottom of the lower access panel that we'll need to remove. Then just lift that panel away and set it aside. Now with the lower access panel removed, we do have exposure to the pump. There is a single number 20 Torx screw securing the front of it, and 2 rubber feet that fit into slots in the base that secure the rear. And we can also move this wire raceway away from the front here, will give us a little better access to pull that pump out. So just depress the little tabs in the back there. So we'll reach in here and squeeze that clamp. Slide it back on the hose and pull the hose off. We'll do the same on the drain hose. And the single screw holding the front of the pump to the base. And we'll just pull that forward until the rear feet come up through the opening. Open up the back and remove the wire connector. Now follow the instructions that came with the part that will explain how and which feet to replace on the back and the front as well. Now for this particular model we do need to remove the front tab, and we're going to install this little grommet. And we're also going to remove the rear feet. We'll slide those out. And discard them. And then we're going to install the 2 that were shipped with the part. And you'll note that there is a slotted portion on the bottom that will face towards the back. We'll just fit those over that opening, make this a little tapered portion towards the front. Replace both of those. And now we'll fit the new pump into the machine. Slide the rear feet backwards until the front lines up. We'll take that little bushing, set it inside the grommet. And install the new screw that came with the kit. So we'll reinstall the tub of the pump hose first. Make sure the hose is all the way through the clamp. Make sure that the clamp is fully inserted up onto the hose. We'll pull that hose, line up the little tab with the arrow on the top of the pump, and pull our clamp forward. Make sure we've got a good connection. And we're going to line up the drain hose at the back. And again, we'll depress that clamp. We'll slide that drain hose up until the tab lines up with the pump. And then make sure that we position that clamp securely towards the front of the hose. Then, depending on your model, you may need to remove this single rib on the connector. But on this pump, it will fit on without any modification. So we'll lift up the back, slide it in, make sure it locks in place. Now we suggest that you run the washer through a short cycle just to verify that we have no leaks around either the tub to pump hose or the drain hose. And once we've confirmed that, we can then go ahead and put the front panel back on. Now our last step will be to reinstall that access panel. And we're just going to tuck this lip up in behind the front panel. And then hold it up in place and install the 3 screws across the bottom. We're now ready to reconnect the power, and our repair is complete.